Aarav and Myra was about to become dinosaurs' lunch. Run!
That food is bigger than our house.
Don't move, don't move.
I am scared forever.
Run! But wait. This crazy disaster started just 10 minutes earlier. Today's gonna be awesome.
Why do I already feel worried?
Everything started in the secret tree house. Treasure hunt time.
Please don't break anything today.
Then Aura found something impossible. Wow, a glowing ball.
Going things are never good though.
Time jump. Whoa.
Don't touch random button.
Too late. Oh.
Aarav!
And that's when things got really weird.
Warning, warning, very bad idea detected.
Before they could escape, time opened up. Wow, that looks amazing.
Oh, that looks horrible.
Warning. Help! I've got you, Aarav. Hold on tight.
This is so cool.
We are definitely in trouble.
The portal wasn't taking them somewhere. It was taking them through time.
It's too fast. I feel dizzy.
Then boom, they landed somewhere very old.
Why do adventures always hurt?
And that's when they met the cutest problem ever. Ew, it sneezed on me.
You deserved it.
Something about this dinosaur felt magical.
Be careful, Aarav. Watch out, little.
Cute things here feel suspicious.
Whoa! What's happening? Aarav, look out! The ground! Whoa! Check
Be an
that out!
earthquake, please.
Run!
It's not a normal lizard.
Why is it so huge?
Help! It's right behind us.
Panic level extremely high.
Critical
I didn't
panic!
take the egg. I panicked, okay?
Run faster! Critical alert!
Luckily,
Danger!
gravity had other plans.
Aarav, I can't stop! Look behind us! Whoa! We made it! Phew! Whoa! What is that?
Wait, did it just move? I think it's hatching.
Look! It's opening! Wow! It's
Inside the egg was the cutest dinosaur ever. Hey, why does it like you more?
adorable! Hey, that's not fair.
Because I didn't steal its egg.
Seriously? Come
But
on.
suddenly the baby dinosaur got scared. What's wrong? Please don't say giant dinosaur again. Instead of danger, the dinosaur showed them a secret. Whoa, a hidden cave.
It's magical!
But this wasn't a normal cave. It looked like someone hid the secrets of time. Wait, are those flying cars? This feels like a treasure map.
What a warning.
Wait! Warning, energy fluctuations.
Warning, unknown timeline ahead.
Awesome. Not awesome.
Danger! Instability! No! We can't let it go through! We have to go now! It's too dangerous! Warning! Instability critical! Portal expanding! No! It's here! We have to run!
Come on. Run again.
Look out!
With one giant leap, everything changed again.
Instability!
Please take us home.
Or somewhere cool. This time they landed in the future. Flying cars. This is awesome. On the right one.
Maybe don't stand in front of them. Run.
Go, did you see that?
But then something felt strange.
Why is it so quiet?
Yeah, where is everyone?
Wait. Where are the trees?
What? The trees are plastic? Even the birds are robots?
Yeah, look! Aw, man.
What happened here?
Oh, maybe the people forgot to
Sure
care.
about this, Aarav? Totally. This is it. Just be careful.
The baby dinosaur searched for its home, but found only dust. Right?
I know you miss your jungle.
No, the trees. They're all gone. Bleep bloop.
But someone was still trying to save the nature.
Quick, follow me.
Just follow. Quickly.
Hidden beneath the city, life was still alive.
Oh, real trees and flowers. Run!
Well, it might be dangerous. Wow, look at the lights. Be careful, Aarav. It's alright, go ahead. He loves this fruit.
Little by little, cities grew bigger and forests disappeared.
Nobody stopped it. Now this is all we have left.
But just when hope returned, time started breaking again.
Wait, why is the orb glowing like this?
Watch out!
Suddenly, the past and the future collided. Dinosaurs in the city, the buildings are breaking. Then, the tiny dinosaur did something incredible. Look at the ground. Plants are glowing. The future kids had protected one final hope.
This is the final and the last forest seed. If it survives, nature survives.
For the first time, they weren't running away. They were running to save something. And then, something beautiful happened. It's working! The city is changing! The future wasn't broken. It just needed people to care. Back home, they thought the adventure was finally over. They were very wrong. Was there plant there before? Next time, the secret jungle portal! If you like stories from ShambhuToons, please like, share and subscribe. Bye!